Let's be honest, the internet is full of bad advice. In this industry, it's got more bad actors than a middle school play. Here at Floor Concepts, we've seen it all. Contractors that use levels like suggestions, and salespeople that push a special of the month just to clear out the warehouse. And that's why we created Flooring University. I'm Sean Henry, and here at Floor Concepts in Wilmington, we believe that your floor shouldn't be a DIY horror story. We're pulling back the curtain. We'll cover the science of subfloors and the truth about waterproof claims, and how to spot a bad install before you pay the bill. Whether you're in Hockessin, Newark, Middletown, or right here in Wilmington, we don't want you to have a floor that's going to make you cry. We want you to have the confidence that your home is in the right hands. Subscribe to Flooring University and get educated. And when you're ready for the real deal, come see us at Floor Concepts. Let's do it the right way.